Unlock delicious meals by learning how to masterfully redeem your Uber Eats gift card. Right here, right now. First things first, make sure you have your Uber Eats gift card handy. You'll need the unique code printed on the back or included in your digital delivery now. Let's dive into the app. If you don't already have it, download the Uber Eats app from your device's app store. Once you've opened the Uber Eats app, locate the account or profile icon. This is usually found in the bottom navigation bar or sometimes accessible by tapping a menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines. Within your account settings, look for an option related to payments or promotions. You'll want to find the section specifically for gift cards or add payment methods. Sometimes it's directly under a promotions or credits tab. Tap on gift cards. This will take you to a screen where you can enter your gift card details. Now, carefully enter the gift card code. Be precise. Double check for any typos or missing characters. It's a mix of letters and numbers, so take your time to get it exactly right. Once the code is entered, tap the Add Gift Card or Redeem button. If the code is valid, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your gift card credit has been successfully added to your Uber Eats account. Your gift card balance will now be available to use on your next delicious order. When you proceed to checkout, the gift card credit will automatically be applied to your total, reducing the amount you need to pay out of pocket. And there you have it. You've successfully redeemed your Uber Eats gift card. Now go ahead and enjoy your meal. Knowing you've saved a little something, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.